have a surprise for you. It's a life lesson book. Sometime in the long life you have ahead of you, there will be a day when a bird will poop on you. Because there are birds up in the sky, and there are people down below. And you are one of those people. So it just makes sense that someday you might feel something plop on your head, or splatter on your shoulder, or dribble down your lapel, if it's a lapel wearing kind of day. And you'll reach for it and feel the goo that is bird poo. That's how it happens. It won't be on a day that you leave your house thinking, today, I'm sure a bird will poop on me, so I'll bring a change of clothes and leave early, and I'll bring some bird toilet paper. Probably every single day, somewhere in the world, someone is getting pooped on by a bird. Maybe right now, even as this book is happening to you, someone in China is getting pooped on by a Chinese bird. Or someone in Gibraltar is getting pooped on by a Gibraltarian bird. Or someone in Maine is getting pooped on by a visiting Canadian bird. It just happens. You won't know when, other than it will be at the worst possible time. Like the day of an important job interview. Or the day you are flaunting an intricate hairdo. Or the day you're running late to a ceremony in which you are to receive an award for never being late to anything. So, on that day the bird poops on you, you have a choice. You can get really mad and cry and stomp and yell, I don't want this to happen, oh God, and let it ruin the rest of your day. Or you can remain calm, wash it off, maybe laugh about it too, like this. Then think to yourself, now chances are I won't have another bird poop on me for a while. And if one does, what a hilarious story that will be. I'm okay. The end.